Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Today, I'm so excited to share with you a 3-story luxury property, 1 block from the beautiful white sands of Panama City Beach. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Let's go check it out. Welcome into this beautiful home in Tapestry Park. I love Tapestry Park. It's so easy to get in and out. It's right near local great elementary school, but I also like the details here. You've got the higher ceilings, you have 4 bedrooms and 4 baths. Right here on the main level, you've got one of those rooms with a full ensuite as well as a guest room for their use. Now I want to show you the beautiful kitchen. Let's go. This beautifully renovated kitchen around 2018 is so spacious and expansive. You've got plenty of storage, you've got your updated appliances, it's right off from an office, and you've got your dining room right next to it, which does lead right around the corner to that living room. Now, I want to show you the rest of the house upstairs. Hey, come on in to this luxurious ensuite. I love how much room and the light. I love when the Florida light floods in. This room also offers this detail of this beautiful tray ceiling, and it's got a beautiful ensuite. Let's check it out. You've got a luxurious jetted tub in here and its own little alcove, standing shower, and beautiful dual sinks. And your dual closets are in between here in the bedroom. It's perfectly laid out. You even have an added space you can use for children or an office, or even here as a music room. Welcome out to your own private oasis. You'll notice you've got this privacy wall right behind you surrounding this backyard, and that has been grandfathered in to this home. It gives you a nice exclusion and not having to worry about cars, or if the kids are out here, they won't run out or the ball won't fall out there. It's just perfect. And it's a great place to go if you're having a family get-together or coming in from the community pool or the community clubhouse, just whatever works for your family. And it's got some green space for our fur babies. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got all the listing links there for you so you can peruse it and check out the details. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on any beauties like this one.